Welcome to the Google Sites tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Gmail account. Then we'll take a look at Google Sites, where you will build your website. I will also show you how to share your website with your team members and me. For your website, you're going to create 4 pages. 4 pages: your home page, your personnel page, product service page, and company description. And lastly, I will show you how to publish and add a video for your homepage. Okay, let's get started. Go to your browser, type in Google, sign up. Create a Google account. Choose a Google for myself and type your name in. First name and then last name, family name. So click on your birthday, 2000, gender, and your username. I'm going to choose teacher Greg. I don't know, some number. This will be your username for Gmail, and your password, whatever that's going to be. All right. And your phone number. No, I guess you have to put in a phone number. So country code, Korea 10. Now you get your verification code on your phone. Enter the code. Recovery email address. I'm going to skip that for now. All right, there's your phone number. There's your information. Go down. I agree. Create an account. All right, here's your account. Go to Gmail. All right, inbox. There we go. You have a new Gmail account. Next, let's go to Google Sites. So you see these 9 dots on the right side. Click on that. Click on More from Google. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to Google Sites. Got it? Now you see this blank plus here. It says blank site. Click on that. This is your home page. Now, at the beginning, I want you up here at the top, I want you to type in Practical English. Then I wanted you to type in your class number. So your 4-digit number, something like this. Some of you 0023, 0024, and so on. Whatever your class number is, I want you to type it here, okay? Now, this is your home page, so you need to insert some new pages. So we have insert, and we have pages here. You have your home page. I want you to click on plus and add a personnel page. One more. Remember, I told you you have a home page, a personnel page, a product service page, and a company description page. Good. Now we have 4 pages. That was easy. I would like you to share your website with me and your team members. So click on Share with Others. Add your friends' email addresses. And so on. Okay. You want to add your friends' email addresses here and click here where it says draft restricted. Anyone with the link. Public. Very good. And remember to add all people, including my email address. Okay. When you're done, there we go. So here's your home page. Here's your personnel page, product service, and company description. I'm going to go ahead and title this home page. So now we're going to look at adding some themes. You can change the color, the look of your website here with some very basic stuff. It's not very complicated, so very basic. So this is basically it for your personnel page. This will be the first assignment you have, and this will be the information for each person in your company. So here I want you to double click and I want you to add an image. So the folder is empty. So you want to add a photo. So how do we do that? Well, I have a photo here, so I'm going to grab the photo and I'm going to drag it here. There we go. Maybe make it a little smaller. This is and then add some text. Hello, my name is Greg Renault. I am the CEO of this company. Okay, you're going to do this for each member of your group. All right. Next one is video. This is our home page. So how do we add a video to our home page? Well, you need to put it into your Google Drive. So in your Google Drive, you want to drag the video to your Google Drive. See, there it is uploading. There we go. Here's our video. Now go to Google Drive, and now we have a video to show, to put into our home page. Good. Click on this here to preview it, see what it looks like. Now you can see what your video will look like. Okay, we are almost done. Click on X here, and then I want you to we already did that. I want you to publish this website. Class number. There we go. We are done. Remember to share this with me, and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.